Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Coffee to headline major music festival. The 18-year-old ragamuffin singer will perform tonight at the 26th staging of Premier Music Festival Rebel Salute. Her performance highlights her sensational rise to stardom, as it was only a year ago that Coffee was invited on stage by veteran reggae artist Coca T to perform at Rebel Salute in 2018. While speaking at her listening session for her upcoming EP Rapture, the Columbia Records UK artist shared her reaction to performing on the big stage. She also commented on the hearty support she has received at the Rapture listening session. Her upcoming 5-track compilation, which includes her previously released songs Ragamuffin and Toast, is scheduled for February 8 release and will feature a promotional tour that will include both local and international stars. Now to news overseas, where Cardi B will hit the big stage on music's biggest night. Grammy-nominated rapper Cardi B is included in the lineup of the performers to hit the big stage at the 61st staging of the Grammy Awards. Fellow Grammy nominees include rapper Post Malone and singers Janelle Monáe, Camila Cabello, Shawn Mendes, and others. Cardi B's chances of walking away with a gold-plated gramophone is from her 5 nominations for Record of the Year for the track I Like It, her collaboration with Bad Bunny and J Balvin, Best Pop Duo or Group Performance with Maroon 5 for Girls Like You, and Best Rap Performance for the track Be Careful. She's also nominated for Album of the Year and Best Rap Album for her debut album Invasion of Privacy. Hosted by R&B singer Alicia Keys, the 61st Annual Grammy Awards will be live on Sunday, February 10 at 8 o'clock right here on TVJ. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.